Natalie Pirks is in Rome for us now. Natalie.
The party is very much still continuing. Rachel Daly is up there singing at the moment. But the key is to keep this momentum going and build on this legacy. The last time England won a major trophy back in '66, women were banned from playing football.
I'm deeply sorry for letting down my teammates, and I've reflected on the lessons it's taught me about responsibility. I think this probably sums up just how badly this has gone for England. Yes, England were put out of their misery, I think it's fair to say, this morning.
She was the World, Olympic and Commonwealth silver medalist, always the bridesmaid, but tonight it wasn't even close. She simply blew the rest of the field away to end her wait for a global title and become only the 10th British woman in athletics history to win Olympic gold.
Well, you can really feel the love in here for Andy Murray and everything he's achieved. But it's the end of a dream and the end of his career.
Britain had never before had a female global sprint gold medalist, but it's amazing how quickly things can change. Very quickly, in Dina's case.
Well, even the most optimistic Red could not have predicted this result. That victory means United will have European football, and a season which was in ruins now has something to show for it.
You don't like to lose, so how much of that stubbornness has made this happen?
Well, over the last 7 years, there's been moments where, I could have walked away.
Lewis says they're not competitive.
Look at every article from 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, it's the same story.
So you think a bit of sandbagging going on there?
They always do that.
What is Kylian Mbappe capable of now after winning a World Cup?
I think if you want the World Cup, you can do everything.